make your customer experience much better, Student Alliance in the My ViewBoard application has a feature of Sparrow Pen. Now, what does a Sparrow Pen do? Just click on the Sparrow Pen. Here you have different figures that you can select, right? So we have a shape pen in case when you're teaching kids or when you want to use certain figures as a pointing element. So you can directly just click on it, you'll be able to get the images. For example, if you want to put clouds, you can put clouds. Similarly, there are a lot of options that are available, right? So if you want a different option, say for example, you want a sparrow. So this can be used as a highlight option, as a showcasing option that makes interactive much more better for kids and people who love image explanation. Thank you so much.